Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your existing account on the Huobi HTX Wallet app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Huobi HTX Wallet app on your device. And once you are taken into the homepage, you may scroll all the way up where you will see the login as well as the sign up button. Tap on login and this will open up the login portal. You can now proceed either with your phone number or email address. And you also have the option to log in directly through Google or Telegram. After entering either one of these, tap on the next button, and now you will be asked to enter your password. In case you have forgotten this, you can tap on the Forgot Password button in order to reset your credentials. After entering your password, tap on the next button, and then enter the verification code that has been sent to your inbox. Once you check your inbox, you will find the verification code. So just enter this code within the given section, and then tap on confirm. You will need to tap on the send button within the code box in order to receive the code. After you enter the code, you can now choose to enable passkey or skip it for now, and you also will have the option to enable Google Authenticator. And now, once you are logged in, you can start trading from wherever you last left off right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Huobi HTX Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.